Hey friends! So coming at you with another video, even more unshaven and unkempt than the last, but undeterred. It's really hot outside. I think it's probably like 100. It's probably like 105 in here. And no air conditioning. But today's video is about a mirror, installing a mirror. Okay, as you know, we did the toilet install. To see that video, check out my channel. We also did the track lighting install. There's also that video on my channel. Maybe in the description as well. So I was kind of figuring out how am I going to hang up the mirror, and then I came upon something called command strips. It can hold up to 20 pounds depending on the one you buy. I bought the one that holds up to 16 pounds. My mirror here is 4 pounds, but price wasn't that too much different. They have like an 8 pound, a 12 pound, a 16, a 20. I got the 16 just in case. So I decided to give this a try, and so that's how we're going to install today's mirror using command picture hanging strips. Let's get started. Okay, so it comes in a pack of 4. I'm just going to use 2. Each one holds 4 pounds apparently, so 4, 8, 12, 16 pounds total. Again, since this mirror is only 4 pounds, I'm going to use 2, one on each side. So apparently you just pull them apart like this, and then the instructions say to put the like Velcro type things, align them like this, and press them until they click. It's not exactly Velcro, to be honest. You can hear like a clicking sound. It sounds like Velcro. And it says to press them together. And so that's what I'm doing. Alright, so you just press it together like until you hear the clicking, and then the clicking ends. Next, you just peel off like this liner tape. Take it off, and then you stick it to the back of the mirror on the side. Something like this. And then it says to press firmly for 30 seconds. Now with both on the mirror, it says to peel off the other side of the liner. So you peel these off and then attach the mirror to the wall. And I attached the mirror, and that's it. It's holding up nicely. By the way, to remove it, you grab the tab at the bottom, if you ever need to remove it, and you stretch it down like this. Whoa! And it pops off. It doesn't leave a single mark. Now, if you look at this, it's not reusable. So once you take it off, you got to buy another one.